All right, part 9 a minute later. I'm decided to just go in very gesturally, extemporaneously might be the word. Get it all. Looking at the photographs of her seen online, she had beautiful hair. Thank you, Dr. Chi. There we are. There's Dr. Chi. She's a great art critic. Yeah. Actually, kind of cut the, more or less covered up the color. Well, I'll work on it a bit more. We'll see. I might go over some of these black sections with gouache, which is like a kind of more opaque form of watercolor. Yep. Have to hold the paper down with the palm of my hand there to keep it from sliding. How does this look from a distance? It looks okay. Can't see much of the color anymore, but some of it. All right, to be continued.